It's been really interesting talking to landscape professionals, hearing I guess a different side to what I'm used to as a mitigation provider, and maybe how the system needs to change as well. You know, not only for the environment, which is the key outcome here, but also for developers and communities as well.
Key thing for me is the collaboration. For BNG to work within a development situation at least, that is a big consideration. And I've learned a lot already just because of the other perspectives. Everyone's got their part to play. So collaboration, getting the right people around the table at the right time, I think is really essential for BNG to work.
From the development sector, it's really interesting to engage with ecologists, designers, architects, consultants, and just have these conversations, scratch beneath the surface and take a more informal roundtable discussion point. It's just invaluable.
I think a lot of people here are at the cutting edge, is the word. It's the most motivated people, and connecting up with designers, local authority, decision makers. We've touched on how important communication is and enforcement, but we all have to deliver it together, and it's only through conferences like this that we can actually work out what's going to work for the other sides.
Lots of diverse backgrounds, knowledge, expertise, and it was the right people in the room to create the momentum for change, and it's great to be part of it.